How many got an ancestor?
Yeah.
So shout out to the ancestors, right? Yeah. So like, I'm what they call a griot. I tell the stories for the ancestors. So like, while y'all listening to what we about to say about our grandfather, our father, our grandmother, just think of your ancestors. Because like, you got a story to tell. But before I tell the story, right? Like, most of y'all don't know me. Some new faces here. So like, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is the Spirit of Sarah Hall, Elijah, Remo, Mindset, Morgano, the first Boomi of 9 nations. That means Baba and Umi. So I represent the queer community as a heterosexual, non-binary leader. I have 4 boys, male, and then I have 4 daughters, and then I have 1 non-binary nation. I've been married a couple times. My grandfather is Nigerian, and my grandmother is Cherokee. So like, that's who I am. And I love myself.
Yes,
Yeah, like, I love myself. So what I do to stay balanced, right, before I tell the story, is I do breath work. Breath is life. So can y'all breathe with me?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna breathe in for 3 seconds, and we're gonna hold it for 6 seconds, and when we release it out, we want you to release the sound YAM. Y-A-M, YAM. Deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Release the YAM. So that represents the heart chakra. And if y'all can play. Yama, 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 no more time for the drama. Yana Pramanama, I understand my mama. Say, yama, 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 no more time for the drama. Listen, born, single mom, neurodivergent, I'm an atomic bomb. I'm like Tupac meets Biggie. Damn, I'm a Voltron, cause I got my 5 senses. Hearing, tasting, touching. I forgot to mention Grandpa, Native American. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. I sneak salami bacon, except for Ramadan. Like, ooh, yama, 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 no more time for the drama. Yo, I don't like to pull out, so I got 6 baby mamas. But they, my nations, I'm married to them, married 2 times, trying to do right by America, United Snakes of America, KKK. They don't care about my melanin anyway. They talking child support system, and they really fucking listen. That matriarch, oh my God, it's a matriarch. Listen, I know it's art. I part the seeds with my Griot story. Yama, 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 no more time for the drama. Listen, you got to stop and breathe. My mindset is between the 5 degrees of separation. I get it 2 different. Dr. UEP to the lunacy. I am a Black Panther, my African pride. Listen, I don't wanna be a citizen. You're not my dad, you're not my uncle. If so, that shit is really sad. Miss America or Lady Liberty, take a shit on you and I fight it with your flag. So that drama that I bring, I'm just talking about my kings and my queens. So when I say I love myself, I trust myself, I believe and honor me, and most importantly, I respect me. I respect me. And when I say I love, can y'all just say myself for me? Because everyone else is taken. So you might as well love your demons, fall in love with them, and work with your angels. and then deliver your truth. And then your drama becomes your edutainment for this world to see. So I love myself. I love myself. My CELL, my PH for the balance. You talking to yourselves every day. Know the channel.